guys, welcome back to Princess News TV, guys. Today I bring another this one. I bring on interesting news when we say story when we say I go just like or sometimes I know still like her. So guys, today when we say will be the we just I be yesterday evening when we say everywhere just they calm down small. You see all this violence small small stop and small. As I bless you in Kechi Sunday, come out so she and her husband, whether her husband or boyfriend or fiancé, anything way that they call themselves. So whether she and her husband are get problem. I remember, say last about 2 to 3 months ago, her mama died, and all those kinds of things. So they do burial, those things. When we say she faints, all those cry, everybody picking for her. Now when we say things just go where we don't dey trust okay because of things don dey small. Now so she and her husband start again yesterday they come dey quarrel all those kind of things. She dey write, man dey write, they do live video, they just dey talk, dey shout all those kind of things. And so she say why be say she just waka leave the man, say no be the man leave am o. Say if the man say na he leave her na lie, say na she leave the man. Say why she leave the man be say the man no dey work. The man dey call himself president, he no dey work. See they say I say all those small work when they say she dey work for Instagram, say she dey be influencer, when they say she dey maybe advertise products advertise products and all those kind of things. Na the money she dey gather when they say this man dey scatter so na the money this man just dey enjoy all those kind of things. Say this husband sef he no wan work. He go there have some morning till night, they call himself president. How? And then some people call you just say, this woman, remember say you say you don't feel leave this man. No matter how it is, no matter say even though the man cheat on you, say you don't go leave him. Now, say internet not forget something. I make if they do something, you know how you say they do your things because anything will enter internet like this, even 100 years time, they will go dig a format. The thing it no go expire. Your village people will see where to bring the thing come out on social media. So and so they call the reminder say you say you know leave this your man. When it can happen away you say una one break you una just one break scatter like that. Now you say the man will not the work and all those things, say not be cheat make she leave the man and all those kind of things. So the problem is say what make me want just talk this thing now. So these days they celebrity, like say sometimes if you are person don't say day before and you say okay this person I no need am now. Una go na peaceful separate ways. Even though they say una dey fight una self, una still na wan kill una self, at least e go be offline wey be say people no dey too see una except maybe people wey be say e dey close to you na wey be say you don already know una na go know say see wetin you and your husband dey face una wan kill una self. Everything about social media e no dey last. Na make sometimes if you dey in a happy mood for relationship, if you dey in a happy mood, all those kind of things, dey talk something. If no be say sometimes e just touch you where sweet side, you just come online, call your social media, call your right, say he's my world, he's my king. I can die for him without him. I won't survive on all those kind of things. The next month later, when they come, they insult myself, now they fight for all and all those kind of things. It's very embarrassing. Even though so now no go, they embarrass you too now. They embarrass to other people, maybe people where they close to now, they shame. Just look at see the way people will say they happy mood before, see the way they say they fight themselves for social media. At least when I try fighting myself for offline, not be inside online. You know to say people will come they look now, they sometimes they look you or any man tomorrow, any woman will say, this kind of thing, I not feel put my head or myself for this kind of thing. While I will be saying, they finish you. Because what happen between she and her ex or he and his ex, all those kind of things. So in case anytime where we say, oh hey, this one still they happen for people who say they carry their marriage and themselves, they come social media and so the things they be. Anything social media, go work because the moment now they happiness, okay, we show the whole world how we say they happy. Before you know, your village people go they dig your past history. Everything they say know, your village people go bring a format. You will see say some women, girls, boys, so they go flying to their DMs because they talk, they waiting, they don't know, and all those the one way they know. Since now marriage you go those scatter. Una they hear wetin dey happen for people. At least if you be one make your marriage last, just not carry your marriage or your friendship, your relationship, anything on social media, because anything wey enter social media now going they go. I think they come, I think they go. Okay. Everyone still see am, sure na see the picture. See if you don't know Nkechi son the blessing, now she be this, and if you don't know your husband, now your husband too, now the two stamp pictures. So every say when they dey honeymoon, they just be happy like that, but then be this one. And now the other one too you see so now done when they don't scatter. When they say that the thing they as in day before, so it get the relationship don't get killed and all those kind of things. And then don't forget to subscribe to Princess News TV, and then don't forget to like my page, Princess Nation TV, on Facebook page and Instagram and all those places. And so that in case anyhow the news they be, I will bring her to you. So I will bring her to you, and they listen, they hear the latest shit and all. See you next on my next video. Bye. Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Depending on you come across my video. So guys, today I want to talk about difference between black and white marriage for anywhere you dey, apart from say Africa, maybe you dey America, you dey anywhere, you dey Europe, you dey UK, you dey US, any country where you dey, black and white marriage. If I people Africa anywhere, anything wey be say it concern black and white marriage. So today I want to talk about black and white marriage and disadvantage and advantage. Okay, because sometimes a lot of people go they think say my marry white person, maybe if I marry white person I'll get citizenship, or the person get money, or maybe when tough na the date, na the friend, the first time the man they give you money or the guy they give you money. Me I don't see young guy, after a young guy will be say it could be white person says it will they give you money. You not go even give them. If you not see the show and self love, say na love each other die, and that one feel day. So now they work now they earn money. Some if you say you get love, some young guys still they give money like that too. But the disadvantage of the same you dey for inside. The moment you marry those white people and you born 1 to 3 children, forget them. Most out of 100% of black women will be say marry white men. Only 5 people now they grow old with them, because the rest people, the moment they don't born 1 to 3, they just say problem don't come for nowhere. They just separate like that, because maybe sometimes you see say maybe because of this girl always be say happy. I make her and they talk like that. No, because I don't see more than 5 people when we say married and they marry young, the couples they young like that. Not the old men when we say you can say this one an old man when we say you want live. If you be black person you marry old man, that old man will feel leave you tomorrow. And that old man you know go feel leave you tomorrow. Else you say this person don't old for me, so I want to leave the man. No let that one you yourself go feel leave that man, because as that guy old man, you know go feel leave you. Let me come back to the next topic. As from the marriage, for the disadvantage way, because now you go tell me say I lie on all this kind of things. I don't see more than 5 women where they cry. Most sometimes, if fact it's okay, I get a friend when that say happen too. The two should be already the single mother, and these 5 guys they don't date more than 4 years now. They do boyfriend and girlfriend. Before, if the belle enter, normally the girl no dey tell the boy say the thing don't happen, because she say she no need pikin. She go come out herself. He say this one wey be say happen na say the belle enter. She no know say the belle enter, it already dey like that. And she can't get belle. Even before she go hospital, they say the thing don 2 months, so it's already past 3 months. Say she no come out the thing, and she can't decide to born her. And even before she get belle, you see those people, all those white people, you know say she get, because she get pikin, be say all these white people they like on carry like that, and they like the pikin wey she first get. And all those people when they say they close to this white boy now, they get say, why they say she no fit marry the boy? She go say no, she no want marry her. Why she no want marry this boy? She say she no want marry. She no want marry. Say she not just want marry. Now we say she can't get belle. She can't get to tell the boy say she don't already get belle for him. And before this girl they walk, she dey walk like that. And later the guy says okay, since we say she dey work, make she come dey work for him. This lady come dey work for this boy. This man so wey be say dey work for her. He sign the guy the babe contract that they work like that. They work for where they keep old people. The guy get the company. Wey be say if you don old, you go maybe your mama, your parents, anybody wey get head wey not too dey okay, dementia and all this kind of things. Or the person don old, she no fit dey stay her own house alone because of fear. So those places they keep them and so the girl they work for them. They help they work follow the guy and she come get even when she get belle, she still they work for them. The day the problem won't stop now, the moment when this girl come, the guy problem come dey go everywhere. Now so this guy, this why see abandon this guy. This girl not be Nigeria, where you go say she be Nigeria and also Nigeria feel this girl not be Nigeria. Now another country now she because I don't want to make sure the country name. So another country now this girl be. Now so the guy abandon this girl with pikin. Even when the pikin dey see this guy no dey come, you know they even give her stress money, you know they give food, you know they give money to for the pikin. All wetin they do go market. The guy go buy pampers, baby food, you go drop am for the girl comot. Na wetin him dey do, you know they care nothing. Make you say na so dey be. Wetin make her cause no be I no blame the guy cause the guy first see person wey born for a white woman wey first still live like that. Talk more say na white sorry guys, someone say now black person now you come born for her, you go still take care of it still dey happen like that. I purpose this one again, this one of my friends want to give example. I still see a lot of women for TikTok when they say they go escape for the husband house, maybe sometimes the man don't go work, they go run pack their things and they go they beg for help for online now why see they married though they beg for help, they beg people who go help them and all those kind of things. Mainly when we say a lot of YouTubers too, when we say those things all happen too. A lot of people, the moment they don't born, sometimes the men go abandon the lady they train the children alone. Abandon the children for the man, a woman. Then you see stuff away from of black people still they cover for white people. It still they happen for the men too. You get some men where we say they will just born. Here the man, woman go born children finish, they go still pursue the man, they go take the children. Maybe they just want to have remix, they just want to have maybe black and white speaking. That's why I say one white man that he say he never dates black woman. His friends they date. So he wants his friends black woman, not to say you like the woman, just that your friends they do one, you too you want to. But that kind of thing now because you just see white, you just like get white color, you just say I love you, I like all those kind of things, you go roll, you fall for those kind of trap. Just know anything what you do, just be careful for this thing. Everything you know just be easy, not be everything, not be as you see for picture and so you did for inside house. Then see they come on online and they claim say they dey passes, they dey happy and all those kind of things. Whereas no happiness for that thing. They just want to show people what people want to see. They just want to tell people what people want to know. But what they inside there, it pass what people they think. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to Princess News TV and subscribe to Princess Nation TV. Subscribe, like Princess Nation TV on Facebook. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. See you next time on my next video. Bye.